Any entity, when it needs to be communicated, needs to have a designation or a name. Without a designation or a name, how do you communicate? So God needs a name. And that name for God in the Vedas, amongst other names, is Om. This Om is also called Pranav. It represents the formless aspect of God, without any attributes, without any designations, without any forms. His all-pervading formless aspect is represented by the Om. This Om is particularly significant because it is a cosmic sound. This whole universe is pervaded by Om.
I said, empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water. Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Now water can flow or it can crash. Be water, my friend.
If we are temples of God, we are a temple of God. We are the temple of God. Okay? How are we going to communicate with God? We're not. When you pray, how are you going to pray to God? How are you going to tap into Source? How are words going to do that? Words is man's creation. You can't bring the outside in. You can't bring the outside in. Om. Om. It's Om. It's Om. It's Om. It's Om. Om. Words are spells. Language is mind control. It's right there. It's right there. You see it? It's right there. It's right there. It's right there. Om. Om is the cosmic sound of God. You want to get in touch with God? You have to enter into meditation. How do you enter into meditation? Om. 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 Words are spells. Words are spells. Language is a trap for the mind. Language was created to control consciousness, to trap the mind. Om. Om. Om.